I just heard about a product that I've never heard about before. It's called Delta-8, and it's actually a psychoactive compound that can be found in places as easy as gas stations. And so I thought it'd be interesting to talk about that. Okay, so first of all, what is Delta-8? I'm going to throw one of those fancy medical terms at you. Delta-8 is in reference to Delta-8 tetrahydrocannabinol. Big word. Basically, THC is what you might hear doctors or other people refer to as marijuana or cannabis, essentially. So what this is this is actually a compound that's found in hemp. So it's also been referred to as, kind of the slang has been weed light or diet weed. It's been referred to because it still is psychoactive. It still can cause you to become high, but not to the extent that normal cannabis does. Now, the part that really is interesting and maybe concerning, and the reason that we thought this would make a good topic for the vlog, is that you can get this in gas stations. I mean, this is something that's on the shelf. I don't even think it's behind the counter like cigarettes are. One of my colleagues made me aware of this because apparently one of her friends had to take their daughter to the emergency room because she was having symptoms, becoming sick. So that's why this is important to know that this is out there and it's available for everyone. Now, if you're an adult and can make your own decisions, that's one thing, but when it comes to kids, it's something that I think is good to know, because I know myself as a parent, I had no idea, and I've been a doctor for over 25 years. So new things are happening every day. A big thing to note is that this substance is not controlled by the FDA. So all that really means is you really don't know the concentration of the stuff you're getting. So you may end up getting more high, more intoxicated, if you will, from one particular product over the counter than from another. Now, what might you feel? You might feel a sense of enhanced relaxation, maybe a sense of euphoria. You can be hungry from this. Also, it can actually help control pain a little bit as well. So those are symptoms that you can have. Now, in the worst case scenario, you can have some pretty significant side effects. Side effects of this at its worst can be things like hallucinations, nausea and vomiting, even loss of consciousness. Dizziness is a big one as well. A person can have anxiety. So it's one of those things, like anything that we put in our bodies. It can have unintended consequences and unintended side effects. And if you see these symptoms in your kids and you really don't know what it is, and especially if they're bad, seek medical attention, because you want to make sure that things are okay. Now again, the main reason that I thought this would be a good topic to talk about is just because it's over the counter, it's available in gas stations and other places, and it doesn't require any kind of special license or anything to sell or to buy. So as a fellow parent, I thought it would be helpful to share this. So I hope you found this helpful, and we'll talk again soon.